Hi, this is Dr. Cook, and this podcast will help you get started building your very first web page. Please note that you do not need your web server login information in order to get started building your page. The first step is to go to the course website. And we're going to scroll down to find the web toolbox right here. Click this link, and there you have the toolbox image, and to the right you have a link called Web Page Template. Click on that, and you will notice on this page that there's some HTML code between two horizontal lines. Also note that some items are in purple. This item here in something called title, the heading, and a heading tag, some text in a paragraph tag. Just keep that in mind for now. So you're going to select this code with your mouse, right mouse click, choose copy, and that will copy this code to the clipboard of your computer. Now we're going to go to the Start menu, choose Run, and type Notepad in the box. Now that code that's on your clipboard, we need to paste it into this Notepad document. Choose Paste, and there it is. Now I'm just going to add a few blank lines just so that you can see things a bit more easily, but that doesn't actually affect the way that the page would be displayed in a web browser. Now the next step is to save this. So I'm going to choose Save As, and you can put this file anywhere that you want to put it. It's up to you. Just to make things easier, I'm just going to put it on my desktop for now. And you're going to call this first web page index.html. Just trust me on that. Choose Save. Now we want to see what this looks like in a web browser. There's a couple ways you can do this. You can go back to the browser window and choose File, Open File, and browse for it. Or I can just go to my desktop, find index.html, and double-click it. And there it is. It's that easy. But now I know you're thinking, well, great, but that doesn't look like much. Here's the fun part. Now we're going to start to make some changes so that it does look like something. So go back to index.html in Notepad. It should still be open. And the first thing we're going to do is edit the title that's within the head section. If you see head, head. And we'll give it a unique title. Now that we've made a change, we need to save it. So I choose Save. Go back to the browser, choose Reload, and you think, oh, nothing's happened. But in fact, yes, it has. If you notice up here, it now says Catherine's Understanding the Web. So if someone were to come along and bookmark this page, once it's actually published on the web, then that would be the default name that would show up. Now let's make some other changes. Instead of just heading 1, notice between this H1 beginning tag and H1 ending tag, we're going to change that. Once again, we're going to save it. Go back to the browser, reload, and there's the change in the heading. Similarly, with the text in the paragraph tag here, between the beginning and ending paragraph, you can type something, anything. Once you make a change, you save it, you go back to the browser, and you reload. And there it is. I hate computers. For this lesson, we are going to ignore this image tag, and we'll do that in a different podcast. But that's basically all there is to it, and you just continue on adding more headings, adding more paragraphs, adding more text to your paragraph, whatever you want to add. Follow the protocol, make the change in Notepad, save it, go back to the browser, reload, and see what changes you've made. As you learn more HTML tags, you can try adding those too. Good luck!